Hi, I'm Kate, and I'm one of the dedicated workplace coordinators here at Upflex. I'm here to help you get your Upflex account set up and to answer any questions you may have. First, you should receive this invitation in your email to join Upflex. When you click to accept, be sure to create a password that's strong. Make sure it's long enough, that it has upper and lowercase letters, uses a number and a symbol. When your password is strong, the submit button will turn blue. I have an iPhone, so I'll go to the App Store and download it. Once it's downloaded, I can log in with the same email address and the password that I just created. Upflex uses location services to locate the spaces closest to you, so we recommend you keep them on. Currently, I don't have mine on, so when I click the button to locate me, it can't find my location. You can also log in on the web at business.upflex.com and enjoy the same functionality that you can on the mobile app. To make a booking, choose the inventory type you need. Then you can search around on the map and see what spaces are near you. You can flip through the spaces around you, or click to see the list view and browse this way. When you want to check out more details of a space, click on the card, and then you can read all about it. If you want to change the inventory type, you can do so from here too. When you're ready, click Reserve a Desk, choose when you want to make the reservation, and when you're ready, click Confirm. From here, you can add it to your calendar. When you arrive at the workspace, go to the check-in menu and check in on the app. This is the same place that you'll also check out when you leave. Then, find the receptionist, tell them you're here with Upflex, and they'll show you to your seat and give you any information that you need about the space. This should be enough information for you to get started. We'll be sending some emails over the next few days with tips and tricks, but in the meantime, if you need any help, reach out to any Upflex staff person. We'll be happy to help. Thanks.